Okay, welcome to another video where I'm going to teach you how to create a business page for Facebook. So the first thing you have to do is to go to Google and look for Facebook business page. Press this create a business page button here and wait a few seconds to the page to load, and then you press create a page. So once we're here, it will bring us to the creation of a website, of a page, I'm sorry, and then you have to do the name you want. For example, Easy Way, and then you have to choose the category. In my case it will be technology, for example, I don't know. Then here a description like hello. As you can see, the description will appear below the name. So you press create page and you wait a few seconds, like depending on your speed of internet. Okay, so it says that Easy Way was created. Now you can add images or go to your page to add more details. So here you can add your website, your phone number, your email, location, city, town, zip code, the hours when your business is open, but none of this is required. You can fill whatever you want. In my case, I'm not doing that. Then you can add a profile picture, a cover photo. This is a profile picture, and here will appear the cover photo. You can add an action button. For example, start order, sign up, book now, view shop, get tickets. Depends on the business model you are using. So to people contact you, you can use the Facebook Messenger messages, or you can use the WhatsApp, call, email, etc. Okay, so next. Here you can add your WhatsApp phone number to get contacted through WhatsApp. Then you have to invite friends to like your page, notifications. So this is the way you can create a Facebook business page. You can configure it however you like. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, subscribe, press the bell in the button of subscription, and see you in another Easy Way video. Goodbye.